In this video, before we move on with any sort of additional, I guess you could say, health slash revive, or sorry, not revive, health regeneration and spectator, logic and fixes, I want to go through and fix the issue with reviving. So that way we have a way to actually test this. So currently, if I go down and I revive the player, if we wait a couple more seconds for the timer to elapse, that was the kill timer, you can see it still happens. So the player has, still died even though we've revived them. So here in our game mode, we have our revive player function, which does run, it does go through, it clears the handle. However, we are not clearing the handle that we think we are. So what I mean by that is let's go to our, wherever we use our downed players, which is right here. So on player downed, we can see what we're doing is we're creating a new timer handle and we're passing that through as the value to our map here. And then we're setting the timer using that handle. Now, normally that's fine, but the way we're trying to access it is technically this this handle here that's we're being used and the handle that we are using in the revive player right here are different. So that's something we need to take into account and resolve. So what we're going to do is if we look here, this add function returns a reference to the value. So it's going to return the reference to this here. So what we can do is just construct ourselves a new f timer handle directly inside as the value. And then all we need to do is just set it. And we're going to set it like so. So this way, we're constructing a new timer handle. This add function is returning a reference to that handle. So then we can use that handle, the exact same one that's in the map for the timer. So that way, when our revive player gets called, the handle that we're getting here, the pointer to it, is going to be the exact same handle. So now let's go ahead and recompile and give it a try. Okay, once that's done, let's press play. I'll go ahead and go down and revive. So now, if we go ahead and we just continue to wait, I'll give it probably another 8 seconds just to make sure. We should be good to go, and notice that the player is, well, simply put, still alive. We can see we have our max health, and all that, everything is still where it's supposed to be. So I just wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way because, trying to test stamina regeneration and the, setting the max health and stuff like that, when every time you revive and you're doing all those tests and you keep dying, it kind of makes it a pain. So now that that is out of the way, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.